Hi, today I'm going to show you how to enable network discovery option in Windows 11. If you want to turn it on, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and after that you need to go to settings. Then we need to move our cursor to the left panel and find here network and internet settings. It is very important to open this one option, because after that you will see here a lot of really useful settings. So here we need to go to advanced network settings. It will let you to view all network adapters and network reset options. So I click on this one option, and here on more settings we can find advanced sharing settings. This option will let you to change network discovery and sharing settings, so I click on it, and here we have network discovery option. If you enable this option, your PC can find and be found by other devices on the network. If you are sure that you want to enable it, you need to click on this black dot, and after that I recommend you to check this option to set up network connected devices automatically. So in this way we can easily enable network discovery option in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.